Hello friends, we are gonna start fitment of Zest and Bolt armrest. This installation is very simple, so just follow the step-by-step process which is being shown in this video. Now we are starting. This is Zest and Bolt armrest with adapter part, and this is bottle holder. Now this bottle holder has to be set on armrest adapter and press it gently to fit in properly in adapter. Now this bottle holder cap which is going to be fit on bottle holder and tighten with M3 into 10 mm screw with the help of a screwdriver. Now after that, check the movement of armrest which is easily movable or not. Now armrest is ready for the installation in car. This is the console area where armrest gonna be installed. Now firstly remove this cap from the console and then loosen up this existing screw with the help of a screwdriver. Now remove the console from its position. This is the inner view of console after removal of console. Now with the help of a spanner, loosen up this existing bolt. This is C-clamp part which is going to be fit on that location. This is bracket part which is fitted on the C-clamp part with matching up the hole of screw and bolt. Now tighten the C-clamp and bracket part with M5 into 10 mm bolt and then fix the bracket part with console with existing bolt of this area with the help of a spanner or T-spanner. Now place the console on its original position and tighten up with the existing screw. After that, place the assembled armrest with adapter on console and tighten up with the M5 into 20 mm bolt at both sides with the help of a screwdriver. Now after fitment of armrest, place the existing cap on its position. Fitment of Zest and bolt armrest is completed.